Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Gemini transaction history. If you don't have a Gemini account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 of Bitcoin after you buy or sell $100. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once signed in, you will see several options at the top right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. Click on the Balances option. At the middle part of this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Transaction History. There you will see the list of all of your transactions. That's how you view your Gemini transaction history. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.